Welcome to Craving Kitchen. Today we are making a refreshing Asian cucumber salad that's crisp and packed with flavor. Let's get started. First, peel the cucumber using the zebra peel technique. Leave alternating strips of skin on because it adds extra texture. It helps the dressing cling to the cucumber and makes it look more beautiful.
Kitchen, smell the flavors in the air. Simple food and happy hearts, good memories we share.
Next, cut the cucumber into bite-sized pieces using a zigzag cutter. Those ridges aren't just for looks, they catch more dressing, so every bite is bursting with flavor.
Pleasure, sizzle in the pan, hear the music play. Fresh ingredients brighten up the day. Craving Kitchen, come and take a
Now, chop the chives into about 1-inch length. Chives gives the salad a fresh, mild onion flavor that's common in many Asian dishes.
Craving Kitchen, tasty and fun. Cooking together for everyone.
Thinly slice a red onion. Red onions are slightly sweeter than white onions, and they add a vibrant pop of color while staying crisp.
Dancing softly in the gentle breeze. Every pot is filled with warmth. Every meal a story. Simple cooking, happy living, giving God the glory. So grab a spoon and sing.
Now, let's make the dressing. Add olive oil for richness, honey for natural sweetness, mustard for a tangy kick, then season with salt and black pepper.
Craving Kitchen.
Next, add fresh lemon juice that brings a bright, refreshing acidity. Now, grate or finely minced fresh garlic. Just a small amount adds a bold, savory aroma and gives the dressing that classic Asian-inspired flavor. Go ahead, mix everything together until the dressing is smooth and well combined.
Something good for you. Craving Kitchen. Let's all eat where love and
Pour the dressing over the vegetables and toss well until every piece is evenly coated. Finish with a generous sprinkle of toasted sesame seeds. Toasting brings out their rich, nutty aroma and adds the perfect finishing touch. And there you have it. Here are the complete ingredients that we use. A fresh, crunchy cucumber salad that's simple, healthy, and incredibly delicious. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Craving Kitchen for more easy recipes and cooking tips. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, happy cooking!